Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these little felt doll shoes, and you can make them any size. So let's get started. I'm going to cut out the soles for the shoes out of cereal box cardboard. So I'm just going to cut a piece, and you can make these any size. So then I'm just going to round off all the corners, and then I'll cut another one. And now I'm going to glue them to some felt. And cut them out. Like that. Now I'm going to turn them over and glue it this way. And cut it out. Now I've cut out a strip of felt, and it's about 1.5 inches, and I need it to be long enough to be able to wrap all the way around. And I'm going to start in the center back, and I'm going to sew it all the way around. So I start here, and with a needle and thread, I'm going to sew all the way around. Okay, so I've gotten around to the back, so I'm just going to overlap this a little bit, take the last stitch, and I'm just going to sew straight up the back. And I'm going to trim off the extra. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So now I cut another small piece of felt, and I'm going to start here in the back, and I'm going to glue it all the way around. Okay, so here I'm going to glue a small section over that. Like that. And I'm just going to fold this down like that. Now this is the front. So right along the edge here and here, I'm just going to cut a slit down. And these are the sides. So I'm just going to cut those off like this. Okay, like that. Now I have some embroidery floss in the needle, and I'm just going to come across like that and tie these into a little bow like that. Now you can use them exactly like this, or you can take a Sharpie marker and add some little details. So I'm just going to make little pouncy dots, and it will look like little stitches like that. And then I'll do some along the side like that. And I'm going to glue a little star right here. I'm just going to use some Elmer's glue, place that into the glue, and then push it so that the glue comes through that little hole. There you go. That's how easy it is to make these little felt doll shoes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.